In this video, I'm going to go over everything that you receive with your LYNCOHOME Dresser or TV stand and what the assembly process is like so you know what to expect when your product arrives. All the tools are supplied for you. It's just an Allen wrench and a screwdriver. So basically, if you can screw in screws, you can be able to get this together pretty easily. But here's step number one, which is getting the frame together. And it's basically just 2 screws in the end and 2 screws in the middle. Altogether, it's 8 screws, and I was able to get this done in less than 10 minutes. Now that we have the frame together, we can go working on getting the shelves and the top attached. And same thing as before, basically just screwing screws into their spots and you're good to go. I really like the outlet on top. They give you 2 sockets and 2 USB ports, so basically you don't even have to have a surge protector, which is super nice. And now once you have the frame together and the shelves on there, the last part is getting those drawers slid into the right places. They're really easy to assemble. Basically just expand them and put the knob on and you're good to go. Getting the drawers in there took me maybe 10 to 15 minutes, and altogether I was able to get this dresser assembled in under an hour. And this is what it looks like. That final step is just getting those LED lights on there if you want them. Totally optional, but overall this was easy to put together. I like how the lights look. I always think that's a real nice touch to any entertainment TV stand or dresser in your bedroom. But overall this is simple to put together, affordable. It gets 2 thumbs up from me.